stressed, don't know how I'm gonna pay the bills. Stressed, right now I could really use a meal. Stressed, I'm just sitting on my windowsill, wishing for the means just to make the ends meet. A little stress, it's a part of my everyday stress, though I try to keep it at bay. Stress is a part of my DNA, 'cause even when I meditate it never seems to go away. Stress, why don't you come with solutions now? You've been around since Confucius now. Has evolution failed? Stress, why don't you focus on blessings now? There's nothing I can do anyhow, so let me tip the scale. I've been blessed by the people that love me. I'm blessed by the good Lord above me. I'm blessed. Don't know how I'm gonna make it, but I know I'm gonna make it. That's enough and I'll take it. I'm blessed. It's so easy to forget that I'm blessed. Gotta change my mindset to feel blessed, 'cause my attitude manifests. I know that the way I feel shapes the world I see is real. Blessed, why don't you take a deep breath with me? Together we will exhale to see that life is on our side. Blessed, everyone has a hard time sometimes, so if you feel you're stuck in a bind, know you're not alone. When you're stressed, feeling like the world's caving in. Stress, and your patience is paper thin. Stressed, focus on a single blessing, and the thought will start caressing you until you remember you're blessed.